I'm going to do something I haven't done for quite a while, and that is put together a Christmas kitchen vignette. I want to have it ready as part of my Christmas kitchen tour. And my friend Leona Dooley at Ebony, Ivy, and Time in the Kitchen has taken over this particular collab. So I thought I would participate in it to show her some support. And I thought I would start with this buffalo check towel at the very bottom. Even though it can't be seen, it does give just a little bit of a lift to the items in the tray. And I've been thinking about one of these two snowmen. I thought about using this penguin too, but the sign broke off of it and my husband will repair it for me, but for right now, he's not here. And I do like snowmen. I thought I would put a snowman theme in here, and my theme would be home for the holidays. And doesn't everyone like to make a snowman? If you live in an area that has snow, that's one of the things the kids would always do. So I'm thinking maybe this one. And I've got this sweet little teapot. Here's the teapot, here's the cup. This cup is awful big though. And the guidelines for the kitchen vignette is that it has to be on a tray, which I've got. And you need to have words of encouragement. And my words of encouragement are going to be home for the holidays from this holiday inspiration book. There's recipes and craft ideas and all kinds of things in there. So I'm thinking this. And I've got this little lantern. Oh, I'm going to need to lift it up a little bit with a clear glass custard dish. And then I've got these things here that I think I want to use in some way. But I like the little sugared berries on it, and again, the greenery, which is one of the guidelines. I think I'm going to go with this. It's not too much, but it meets all the guidelines. It's on a tray. Here are my words of encouragement. Here's my Christmas florals, my holiday motif, and it's good. And let me show you where it's going to live. It's going to live right back here. This is the perfect place on the counter for this vignette. So here's my Christmas kitchen vignette, and it's rocking the home for the holidays theme. Which piece in the vignette is your favorite? Tell me in the comment section below. And whereas I am really loving my Christmas kitchen vignette, there are so many other examples of amazing Christmas kitchen vignettes in the playlist. So I will link the playlist in the description box below so that you can check that out. Each one is as individual as a snowflake. For more homekeeping and Christmas inspiration, click here.